what's up? Chad Radcliffe here once again on the channel, Team Righteous. Ringer 57 over there. So, what the hell's going on? Yesterday it was like 70, 75, feeling good. I was like, I need to get my hair cut. I'm feeling good. Get all this hair mowed off. I know y'all been seeing me look shaggy lately. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get the hair cut off. And then last night we're at the shop and all of a sudden, all of this shit happens. So anyways, we're about to go back into the shop, finish up on this bike we're working on, and then we'll be on the dyno. See ya. Maybe it won't be cold in here in about 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so here we go. We already made our baseline pull here, so we're going to turn around here, check out the numbers. So we ended up making right at 74 foot-pounds of torque and peaked out 148.5 horsepower. So, and as you can see in there, fuel's all over the place, so we've already tried to correct the fuel there. Already got the secondaries opening up sooner now. We're going to put our first revision in here and see how it does. Alright y'all, so we got the GSXR 1000 here done. This is actually one that we had to rebuild the engine in. It had a spun rod bearing in it. He brought it to us. When we were still over at the other shop, we tore it down and everything, sent the crank off. They repaired the crank, welded it up, and sent it back to us. And we got everything back together, and we've been dyno tuning it today. So ended up making pretty good gains with it. We started off at 148 and we ended up here at 156.7, so pretty good gains. We got, you know, roughly 8.5 horsepower gain here. We'll flip it back around here for you one more time. So you see here we ended up making 78.9 foot-pounds of torque, and air fuel ratio nice and smooth through here. It actually doesn't like the fuel near as much as some other bikes do. So we was at 13.8, 13.79, 13.8 air fuel ratio. But right over here, she's just pulling right on through and doing good right through there, making that 156 horsepower. So anyways, been a fun and interesting build that we got to do. Got to, like I said, send the crank off, get it repaired, put it all back together and everything, and it's running good. So we're excited to see, you know, when the customer comes back to pick it up. He's been here watching it when we've been tuning it earlier, and so he had to go ahead and take his kids to get something to eat. But anyways, we just, you know, want to be able to see, you know, how it's going to turn out once he gets back to riding it on the street and everything. So anyways, appreciate all of y'all. Have a good one.
That's fine. The dog will leave you alone. I ain't gonna go for a ride. It's too cold. Hey man, y'all motherfuckers in trouble. What? Goddamn, boy. This motherfucker big, boy.
What you gonna do to him?
I'm gonna fuck him up. I'm gonna fuck him up. Hold on. Who wants it? They can get it today, goddamn it. Let me get it out of here.